Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in for a treat as we take a leisurely stroll through the iconic streets of Paris. Yes, we're exploring the renowned Avenue de l'Opéra and Boulevard des Italiens. So, if you're ready for a visual feast of charming shops, delightful restaurants, and some intriguing history, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive into the heart of the city, let me share a few interesting facts. Did you know that Avenue de l'Opéra is not just any street? It's a historic boulevard that has witnessed centuries of Parisian life, art, and culture. And Boulevard des Italiens, well, the name itself hints at a fascinating blend of French and Italian influences. Let's uncover the stories woven into these bustling streets. As we meander through the vibrant streets of Avenue de l'Opéra and Boulevard des Italiens, you'll notice the unique energy that defines this part of Paris. But first, let's talk about the location. We are in the heart of the second arrondissement, a district known for its lively atmosphere and central location in the city. Now, picture this. You're surrounded by elegant Haussmannian buildings, each telling a tale of Parisian architecture. Avenue de l'Opéra, stretching from the Louvre to the Palais Garnier, is not just a street. It's a grand promenade showcasing the city's beauty. And Boulevard des Italiens, historically linked to the Italian community in Paris, adds a touch of continental charm. History buffs, get ready for a treat. Avenue de l'Opéra was created in the mid-19th century during Napoleon III's reconstruction of Paris. Its strategic design aimed to connect two cultural landmarks, the Louvre Museum and the Opera Garnier. Speaking of the Opera Garnier, it's a masterpiece of architecture and a must-visit destination along our walk. Now, for a curious fact, Boulevard des Italiens earned its name from the influx of Italian immigrants in the 18th century. Picture this street in its heyday, a hub of theaters, cafes, and lively gatherings, frequented by artists, writers, and socialites. Today, it retains that lively spirit, with modern establishments seamlessly blending with its historic charm. Now, let's delve into what makes Avenue de l'Opéra and Boulevard des Italiens so popular. The plethora of nearby tourist attractions that captivate visitors from around the globe. First on our list is the iconic Louvre Museum, a short stroll from Avenue de l'Opéra. Home to thousands of works of art, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo, the Louvre is a cultural treasure trove. Next up, we have the magnificent Palais Garnier, also known as the Opera Garnier, standing proudly at the termination of Avenue de l'Opéra. This architectural masterpiece serves as the primary opera house in Paris and is a must-visit for its opulent interiors. As we wander further, we encounter the vibrant district of Palais Royal, known for its beautiful gardens, art installations, and the iconic black and white columns of Buren. It's a serene escape just a stone's throw away. Now, let's talk about shopping. Nestled in the vicinity is the world-renowned Galeries Lafayette. This upscale department store is a shopping haven, offering luxury brands, gourmet food, and a stunning rooftop terrace with panoramic views of Paris. For history enthusiasts, a visit to the Place Vendôme is a must. This square is adorned with prestigious hotels, high-end jewelry boutiques, and the impressive Vendôme column. And if you're in the mood for some entertainment, head towards the nearby Grands Boulevards, a lively area with theaters, cafes, and shops. It's a perfect spot to experience the dynamic pulse of Parisian life. These attractions, along with the charming streets we've explored, contribute to the magnetic allure of Avenue de l'Opéra and Boulevard des Italiens. As we wrap up our virtual tour, feel free to share your favorite spots or any memories you have of this enchanting area in the comments below. What makes this destination so popular? It's the perfect fusion of history, culture, and contemporary flair. The streets are lined with an array of shops, from high-end boutiques to quaint bookstores, tempting every kind of shopper. The plethora of restaurants, offering both French and international cuisine, make it a gastronomic delight. And don't forget the iconic landmarks, the Palais Garnier, with its opulent architecture, and the legendary Café de la Paix, inviting you to soak in the Parisian ambience. As we wrap up our stroll through these enchanting streets, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed our virtual tour, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations. Until next time, happy wandering.